Today, we celebrate our beloved Ate Femi's 75th birthday, a woman of strength, compassion, intellect, and unwavering faith. As a sister and daughter, she is our guide and quiet protector, carrying the responsibility of being the eldest of seven siblings with grace. She honored our parents through a life of integrity, perseverance, humility, and deep love for family. Ate shaped us not only by her words, but by her example. As a wife and mother, as wife to Kuya Willie, she was loyal and steadfast, building a marriage grounded in respect and sacrifice. As a mother to PM and Lay, June and Renee, and Elaine and Chris, she was both anchor and inspiration, nurturing, strong, and faith-filled. As a medical doctor, a highly respected senior physician at Ospital ng Caloocan, she practiced medicine as a true vocation, with excellence and compassion. She also served Pasong Tamo community with free medical services. At the height of her career, she chose to move to the United States of America to keep her family united, continuing to serve in health industry while placing her role as wife and mother above all. Her life proves that true success is measured by love and sacrifice. As a traveler from Singapore and Shanghai to Rome, Germany, Mexico, and beyond, she embraced the world with curiosity, yet remained firmly rooted in family and faith. As auntie, ninang, lola, mother-in-law, friend, and church leader, she gave generously in every role, guiding, nurturing, advising, and serving. A trusted friend and faithful leader, she lived her faith daily, strengthening families and inspiring others by her example. As a dancer, and if there's one more gift that brings joy to everyone who knows her, it is her love for dance. Even today, Ate Femi moves with grace, rhythm, and confidence, proof that joy has no age. Whether it's a classic ballroom step, a lively cha-cha, or simply swaying to music at family gatherings, she dances with the same spirit she brings to life, vibrant, elegant, and full of heart. Above all, she's a woman of love, and that love is her greatest legacy.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. I'm sorry I couldn't make it today, but I will visit you soon. Thank you for everything that you've done for me, and I love you, and happy birthday.
Hi tita, happy birthday po. Wishing you good health and long life. See you soon po and we love you. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Ate Femi. May God's grace and blessing shine upon you always.
Happy birthday, dearest Ate Femi. We love you. God bless you.